3 of our adventure takes us from Gander to Riverfront Chalets on the spectacular Exploits River. On the way, we made our traditional detour into Lewisporte for a stop at Blue Ridge Outdoors, our go-to fishing and hunting spot along the trip. We never miss it. It's where we pick up our non-resident fishing licenses and where my credit card gets an annual workout. After wandering the aisles and checking out all the gear we probably didn't need but definitely wanted, we left there and grabbed a few essentials, mostly beer, and stocked up on groceries because we'd be cooking at our cabin at Riverfront for the next 2 nights. It felt good knowing we had a free day and a break coming. As much as we love the trail, it's still a vacation. And a full day off the machines is the perfect way to reset before the next leg of our adventure. Just a few weeks after we filmed this, about 8.5 kilometers of trail from Monroe's Pond to Lewisporte got a major upgrade. So I'm sure this section is miles better now. It's absolutely worth the run in and back out. Just keep in mind it'll add a couple of hours to your day once you factor in the ride and the inevitable shopping detour. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.